Good day, everyone. It's Sylvain here. Again, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also do a bunch of product reviews as well. So now, without further ado, on today's video, we're going to talk about Canva. So Canva is going to be probably one of my favorite tool to use online, as it serves me quite a bit. Whenever I post on Facebook, I post on YouTube, especially the YouTube thumbnail. So that's really a powerful tool that I strongly recommend. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. But before that, so let's dive into Canva. So sharing the screen again. So here we go, that's my YouTube channel. So let's dive into it. So canva.com. You just go on that website. I think I signed in with just my Google, my Gmail account essentially. So you want to do YouTube thumbnail. You want to optimize your Facebook posts, including your pictures. You want to do Pinterest pins as well. So all inside the Canva that can be used. So to demonstrate that, I'll give you a quick example how you can actually use Canva. So let's try, let's say we go for a Facebook post. So create a design. So simply from the top up here, you can do a search, obviously. So now create a design. There we go. So Facebook post. We're going to go in Facebook post. And sorry again for my voice. I caught a little cold over the last few days, but I really wanted to give you that video because it's a really powerful tool. You'll love it, and then it's really something that that's going to help out with your online business. So that's why I'm glad to show it to you. Just to make sure you optimize it for the perfect size. So already on Facebook, especially on mobile, depending on the size of your picture you're uploading, it might not fit exactly. So this gives you the actual picture, the recommended size for the picture. So now you see this here, the square, is actually optimized for Facebook posts, all right? So now what you can do is on the left here, so you can access templates, photos, elements, text, videos, background, and so on. So let's start by giving it a little background to start with. All right, so we're not going to be too picky here. So let's say we put this one. All right, so we got a little background. So now let's say you find a nice quote. I usually go on the bradyquote.com. It's a nice place to go and to find a quote. And then you can insert a text, so anything in there, and then you kind of customize input your quote here, let's say from bradyquote.com, right? So that's something you can put in there. And then as you've probably seen in the past, so I'm putting you can put other elements, so you can upload pictures as well in there. You see a bunch of my pictures. Let's say my logo at the bottom. So it's really easy. You can put it here. You can put another pictures if you want or whatever. And then you can include other elements, right? So you can include, frames. You can include a picture. Let's say you want to include a picture in there. Let's go back to my upload version. You want to put, let's say, a picture of me on a cell phone outside in the park. There you go. You can do that as well, and then you can customize it. There's already pre-made templates as well you can use if you prefer to go that way. And then again, elements, yeah, a bunch of elements. Text, again, you can customize that. Like I said, it's really simple to use. So let's go here. Let's make this bigger per se. Let's change the font of it, so extra bold or whatever. Let's change it to this here, and it's going to change. You can drag your elements anywhere you want, and obviously you can title it as well. So YouTube demo, right? Facebook post. And then you can save it, and then you go at the top, and then you can download. I usually download them to keep them on my computer. If I want to reuse them, especially for quotes and stuff. You can select PNG or JPEG. we can go PNG with this one. JPEG, if you want to do YouTube thumbnails and also the pins for Pinterest, then you want to use the JPEG. So that one shouldn't matter too much, but from what I've used, correct me if I'm wrong on that, but has served me well on PNG, but it's not going to load if you use PNG on the Pinterest and also on YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was a quick demo, and then again, you can dive into the different menus here. You can put other photos. A lot of stuff is for free. There's also a paid version of it. I think it's about $10 a month. I don't need it right now, but the thing is, what happens is if you get one of the prime feature of the paid version would be like, let's say you could do this here, and then now with a click, it's going to give you a pin. It's going to give you a YouTube thumbnail, so it's going to adjust to all sizes. But I've just done it manually for now. But obviously, that could be something down the road that I'm exploring, or it could be something that you like as well. But anyway, that was pretty much it for Canva. So hopefully you liked it. Let's zoom it back out here. All right. Yeah, so canva.com, so perfect tool to use for your online business. Get your posts, YouTube thumbnails especially, your pins on Pinterest. So you really want to get into that. So hope you get a lot of value out of this here, and then we'll see you in the next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to be reminded of upcoming videos. Have a good one. Bye.